Hey everyone, it's Team Milligan PDX with Premier Property Group. It's Lori and Jenny here. We just wanted to say that there are many things that you could be doing during this time of protecting all of humanity and doing our part by staying home and staying safe. But Mom and I were talking a little bit about some of the things that we can provide for our clients and just the opportunity to be able to share some wisdom during this time if you need some. So, Mom?
Well, you've probably been spending a lot of time at home, and that's always a good opportunity to see things that maybe you hadn't had time to look at before. So we'd like to point out a couple of things to you that might be interesting for you to do at this time. First of all, safety. Now that your family's at home, it's a good idea to make sure all your smoke detectors, your carbon monoxide detectors are up to date, current, and in the proper position. You can always go online and find out the
Oregon code.
Right, Oregon code, that type of thing. You probably had repairs that have been piling up, leaky faucets, grout around the tub and the sink, sometimes even putting in light bulbs that no longer work. So get those things done. I've noticed that in my garage I have touch-up paint that I've been meaning to get to, and touch-up paint is a really good way to empty out your garage, make room for the car, and get those projects done that have been piling up in the house. If some of you, like me, may have some new fixtures sitting in boxes still, you might find this is a good time to put those up, the faucet or even the lights, whatever. If you do have the time and the resources, picking a room in your house that you can do as a family, a redo, whether it's painting, just coming up with some new,
that might be kind of fun.
Anyway, so do those things. Now the economy is tough right now, and it will get better in time. So maybe you can't do a lot of remodeling projects, but you can do some research. And if you eventually would like to get some type of new flooring, go and look what's available out there now. There's all kinds of great stuff. New kinds of countertops, not all expensive. So do your research now, get an idea of how much that might cost. And,
Pinterest is a good place to do that, right?
Pinterest.
Find all sorts of great ideas.
Absolutely. And, get a jar. You may have a vacation jar. We'll get a home improvement jar, and then start throwing any extra cash you might have in there. And when you get enough for a project, who knows what'll happen.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
The last thing is, you can always clean up your yard. When the weather
it seems to me that everybody's yards are looking pretty amazing right now.
Yeah. And as the weather gets better, cleaning out those weeds and making your yard look better will make your neighbors feel good and help everybody.
I think that's a great idea. And one of the other things that I was thinking is that maybe if you guys are interested, do a before and after shot and send it to us. We would love to see some of those pictures. It might be inspirational to other people that are out there that are in their, that might just need a little bit of inspiration. So anyway, well, hey, good talking to you guys. If you need anything, of course, reach out to us. Our email is attached to this, and or you can Google us online and get our contact information there. But stay safe, stay home, and do your part in order to stop the spread of this virus.
Take care. Stay well, everybody.